this is a new month, and this is a month of harvest, and this is a month where we celebrate New Yam Festival. I don't know if my tribe does that, but I know this is common with the Igbo and the rest of the ethnicity in Nigeria. We do that. We celebrate New Yam Festival and fishing festival just this month, because this month heralds Ember's month. So like Ember month, from Ember month, everybody start hustling as if the whole year has been, you know, you understand what I mean now. This is Nigeria. Ember month is a very busy month. So this month herald Ember month, and this is a month of harvest. Okay, so I wish you all the best in whatever you're doing, forex trading, other businesses online, other businesses offline, whatever you're doing. I wish you success. Even if you're not doing anything at all and you wish yourself a good luck of success, I wish you success. Whatever you wish yourself, I wish you the same. Alright, in this new month, we are going to be doing a lot. Okay, I'm going to be uploading some good, sweet, and amazing videos to you. So you better stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe by hitting the button below. This is your favorite presenter, your favorite person, nbarinua Monday, and I'm going to be linking you to whatever I know that will help you. Alright, so today we are going to be discussing something very simple and light. We are not going too deep into anything much. Alright, now we are going to be discussing how to access the bot side of binary.com, how to access the bot side, how to trade on the bot side. Okay, by now I assume you already have a bot, but if you don't have any bot yet, I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase any bot of your choice and then use it on this particular platform. It's very simple. Accessing the bot side, if you are using a very good functional bot, it doesn't need you to have to read any chart or have to understand how a chart functions. Even a day old baby can do that, because it's just all about pressing on a button, just following some strict instructions. So please just stay tuned. Okay, I'm just going to lead you through that. So the next place we are going to right now is into my computer. So see you in my computer and see you at the end of the video. Alright, one love. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure that you share this video to as many persons as possible. Alright, if there's anything you need at the end of this video, please comment below and I'll do such for you. Thank you. One love. Alright, hello guys. By now it is assume that you already have a binary.com account, and apart from having a binary.com account, it assume you already have a bot that you want to use to place your trade. But if you don't have any, it's still okay to check it out to understand how this whole thing functions. At least it will help you out a lot. Alright, so first of all, what you have to do is just go to your binary.com account. Alright, if you don't have a binary.com account, the first thing you are going to have to do here is come to simbanews.com, which is already here. Click on this banner to register. You have a free $10,000 account, and then with the free $10,000 you can trade and then practice as much as possible. You can see how much I've bounced my own to. So now when you get to binary.com, you click on this drop down here. If you're on mobile, it's different, but not that different. Click on this drop down here, and then you will see binary bot. Click on binary bot. Alright, now when you are done doing that, it will ask you to begin building a bot. Yeah, click on begin building a bot. Actually, this is a place where you build your bot. If you have a knowledge of this kind of program, you build your bot. Continue to log in. Now when it says continue to log in, you log in with your normal binary.com account. Alright, your normal binary.com account. So while we're waiting for it to load up, if you don't have a bot, what you just you just have to come to gadget, simbanews.com, come to gadget, all the binary board that you can use at that part, you can get them all here. You can see there are many boards, Bamidobi, Banana Trader Pros, and many other ones. So when you log in here, you can switch between your accounts here. Let's say we switch to demo as usual. Okay, now the first time you log in, this is how the account look like. Let me just typically, normally there's I've logged into this account before. This is my own laptop, so there is no walkthrough here. There's always a walkthrough pop-up that takes you through, describe everything for you. Now when you log in, this is a framework that you can use to build a new bot if you have knowledge of programming. This is where you need, on this left pane here, you have all the tools that you need to build a bot according to your strategy. Then here, if you have a bot already, this is where you upload a bot. Let's say I have a bot already, I upload it from here. Let me upload this one. Alright, this is a bot I have already. Now here is where to save a bot. Here is if I have a bot. If you have a bot in your Google Drive, here is to undo if you make any changes. Here is to redo, zoom in, zoom out. Should you disarrange this bot in any way, let's say this one was kept here, here it helps you arrange it vertically. Here display the summary of your trade and pop-up. Then here is where to just on your trade. Then here is all the message log. Then here display your smart chart, and then here display your trading view within the bot section. So should you have a bot like I have mine here, what I just need to do is just to, already this bot is already set default, it's just to on and you start trading. So when I'm done trading, okay, let me allow you to trade for a while. Okay, so when I'm done trading, it's just to put it off. In most cases you need to be fast enough. Alright, so okay, 2 trades completed with that particular bot. So when I'm done, it's just to off it. If I want to clear this chart, it's just this interface, clear the chart and everything starts afresh all over again. So if I want to switch to real account, this BTC account, USD account, I can switch. Then so this whole area is a workspace. Okay, it's a workspace. So that is how to use this bot interface. If you have any question, feel free to ask any questions. Okay, alright, see you in my next video. Thank you.